In this video, we're gonna learn how to make a group on Snapchat. Stick with me till the end and let's get this video started. Now, the one thing that you need to know about creating a group on Snapchat is even if you create a group, you won't be an admin of that particular group. So when you create a group, you don't have the access to remove or kick out a person from that particular group. So make sure you keep that in mind before you create one. Now the way that you do it is just tap on this blue icon on the bottom right and then tap on new group. You can add up to 100 people in this particular group. Now you can name your group anything you want and then just start adding people. Once you select the people that you want to add, you just tap on chat with group and there you go, your group now has been created. Now you can send in anything and other people will be able to see it. And like I said, you don't have the access to remove a particular person from that group. That's how easily you can make a group on Snapchat. If this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe, share and also give this video a thumbs up. If you want more of these videos, make sure to hit that notification bell. That's gonna be all for today's video and I'll be seeing you in the next one.